Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, India's FGFA exit. India's ambitious collaboration with Russia to develop the 5th generation fighter aircraft program, a project based on the Su-57 platform, came to an end in 2018. While the official reasons remained unclear at that time, new reports shed light on the potential factors that led to India's withdrawal. Disagreements on technical aspects appear to have played a significant role in the program's demise. Sources suggest India desired a two-seater variant of the FGFA, similar to the Su-30 Mk-1 fighter jets, a request not readily met by Russia. Additionally, concerns regarding the transfer of critical technology and design specifications from Russia to India reportedly caused friction. Next, Pygmy, a lightweight drone platform for everyone. New Space Research and Technology has unveiled its latest innovation, the Pygmy vision-based kinetic attack drone platform. This cutting-edge drone boasts a lightweight design and are packed with features that make it a game-changer for military operations. The Pygmy's lightweight construction allows for both air and ground launch, making it adaptable to various deployment scenarios. The drone can be equipped with third-party payloads, giving users the flexibility to customize it for specific missions. Next, Nigeria air power with Italian M346 fighter jets. Nigeria Air Force is set to receive a significant boost in its capabilities with the upcoming delivery of the first 6 M346 Masters light fighter trainer aircraft from Italy. This marks the initial phase of a larger procurement deal involving a trial of 24 M346. The contract stipulates the delivery of the aircraft in 4 batches, each comprising 6 planes. The phased approach allows for pilot training and infrastructure development alongside the arrival of the new jets. Next, Thai Khan fighter's second prototype gears up for takeoff. The Turkish aerospace industries is nearing completion of the second prototype for its Thai Khan fighter jet, a significant step forward in the development of the next generation aircraft. The final assembly and engine integration processes are on the track to be finalized by June or July of this year, paving the way for a series of comprehensive flight tests. Next, Iran's S-300 air defense system reportedly damaged by Israel. Reports from the open source intelligence community suggest Iran's S-300 PMU-2 air defense system in Isfahan may have been damaged in a recent Israeli attack. While Iran operates the S-300 PMU-2 system, the specific radar targeted is believed to be a 30N6E2, also known as the Tombstone radar. Next, development of DEWs that can take out cruise missile and UAVs. The DRDO is on the cutting edge of counter-drone technology with the development of high-power microwave weapons. This directed energy weapon system boasts the potential to neutralize a range of aerial threats. Internal documents confirm that directed energy weapons, that is DEW, will be able to effectively take out an desirable hobbyist drone and commodity available quadcopters used for malicious purposes. DEW also will be powerful enough to disable medium altitude, long endurance male drones often used for surveillance. Next, plane spotter snaps HAL Do 228 with mysterious hump. A plane spotted enthusiast has captured an image of a Hindustan Aeronautics Limited developed Dornier Do 228 aircraft sporting an unusual feature of a hump on the upper fuselage of the main body. The presence of the standard under fuselage 360-degree maritime surveillance radar confirms the aircraft belongs to the Indian Navy. Speculation is rife about the purpose of the hump, with some suggesting it houses a satellite uplink system. Next, striking similarities between KF-21 and AMCA program. South Korean and India, both regional powers with growing military ambitions, are currently engaged in developing their own indigenous fifth-generation fighter jets, the KF-21 and the AMCA, respectively. While each program has its own unique goals and challenges, several key similarities exist between the two endeavors. Thank you.